How to do provisional cast on using crochet hook. So this is our beginning. That was crochet this chain, and then stitches was picked up and work this direction. So how we start this? We need to use scrap yarn. This is my white yarn, it's a scrap yarn, and we will be using crochet hook that's about the size of the needle that we need to be knitted after that. And the yarn should be about the same weight as a working yarn. This will be my working yarn, blue one. So how to start? Sometimes people make like a little knot just to remember which direction they start working. So if you would like to do this, just make a little knot. This is your beginning of the chain. Then make a slip knot and using crochet hook, slip knot, chain number of stitches that you need, plus about couple more, just for your safety. If you miscalculated at the beginning and then start picking up with a needle, then you have couple extra just in case. So for example here 1 2 3 4 5 6 stitches I need for my cast on. So I make 6 chains plus more, 2 more, and just pull the yarn. So also, if you forgot, for example, to make your knot at the beginning, how to remember which direction you work your chain. You see all these V's? This look like a V, this chain. So always the beginning of the chain is your like a base of the V stitch. This is your beginning. So that's mean this your working direction. Okay, so I need to pick up and knit 6 stitches. Here our chain, and we will be working on the back of the chain. So turn it back, and you need to find all these little bumps at the back of the chain. Take your working yarn, place your needle inside of this bump, and take your yarn and pull it through the bump. You made 1 stitch. Place your needle inside of this bump, take your yarn. If you're working English style, just wrap around and make this, and so on. So place here. I'm continental knitter, so I just grab the yarn. 1 more. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this is the number of stitches I need. So, and then I will continue to work, and depending on the pattern it will say if this is your right side of your work, or you need to start right side from here. So, and how to remove this chain so you will have open stitches. This is our finished work. So this is little swatch here, and again here you see all these V's. I didn't make knot here, so for example I don't remember which direction I worked. So, and if you look this way, this is your base of the V. That means we need to turn it here and unravel our chain from this side. So if you work from here to here, this is your end, and we will be unraveling the chain from the end. Open, last, and if you carefully remove your chain, you need to grab the loop that was made over this chain. So this is our loop. I just stuck my needle here, remove this chain, and I can see next stitch. This is my next stitch, and remove my next stitch and remove chain. Next, 1 2 3 4 5, and the last one is here. Yeah, sometimes it's a little tricky, last one. Okay, this I have 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's why was needed here. That's how I made them here, and I remove my scrap yarn, and I have now open stitches. Okay, that's it.